I'm Andrew with Fabarm USA, and today we're going to be installing the buffer tube adapter on an STF. The first thing we need to do is remove the pistol grip from the gun. To do that, you'll need a small Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two small Phillips screws that secure the grip cap to the pistol grip. Once the grip cap has been removed, we will remove the pistol grip from the gun. To do that, you will need the 6mm ball end hex key. Insert it into the pistol grip, engaging the screw, and remove the screw and the pistol grip. Set those aside. Now that the pistol grip has been removed, we will remove the stock. To remove the stock from the gun, you will need a 3mm pin punch and a hammer. Drive the two pins on either side of the receiver into the gun. Be sure you drive them all the way in to allow for disconnection. Once the pins have been driven into the gun, you can rotate the gun vertically, the pins will fall out, and you can slide the stock down, disengaging it from the receiver. Block removal. Now that the stock is removed, we can remove the block from the rear of the receiver. You'll need an 8mm hex key to remove the bolt that secures the block to the receiver. Insert the hex key into the bolt. Remove the bolt and the block. Now that the block has been removed from the receiver, we can install the buffer tube adapter. In the buffer tube adapter kit, you will find the buffer tube adapter, a bolt and a lock washer, and a lock ring. When installing the buffer tube adapter, it is an opportune time to interchange from the side mount sling post to the 12 o'clock position sling post. Now we are going to install the buffer tube adapter to the back of the receiver. Install the sling mount to the buffer tube adapter. Place the screw and the lock washer on the inside of the buffer tube adapter. Insert the hex key into the bolt and assemble this onto the gun. Now that the buffer tube adapter is installed, we can assemble the pistol grip back to the gun. Insert the screw and lock washer into the pistol grip. Using the 6mm ball end hex key, assemble the pistol grip to the gun. Tighten the screw. Now we need to install the grip cap. Insert the grip cap into the pistol grip. Using the two small Phillips screws and the small screwdriver, install the screws and secure the grip cap. When installing a buffer tube into the adapter, consult the buffer tube manufacturer for installation instructions. We've now completed the installation of the buffer tube adapter onto an STF. For more information, visit us today at fabarmpro.com.